Gentlemen, are you tired of constantly chasing women while they sit back passively judging your efforts? Do you envy guys who seem to effortlessly attract female attention? Well, listen up, because we're going to flip the script and have women competing for your affection instead. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful but nuanced tactics for getting girls to chase you actively while avoiding the critical mistake that screams desperation and drives women away. Master these makeover strategies for your dating life and prepare for some exciting role reversals where pursued becomes pursuer. Let's get started. 1. Strategically put her in the friend zone. Turning the tables on the classic friend zone dynamic can be a game changer in dating. Instead of being the one stuck pining for a friend who sees you platonically, strategically placing a woman in the friend zone can actually work in your favor. By gently suggesting that you value her friendship but aren't sure about anything romantic, you tap into her insecurities and make her question her standing with you. This confusion can ignite a sense of urgency in her to win your romantic validation, leading her to work harder to impress you and potentially sparking a deeper attraction. While it may seem counterintuitive, putting her in the friend zone can create a dynamic where she's the one chasing, giving you the upper hand in the relationship dynamic. 2. Leave on good terms if you have to. It's crucial to maintain a sense of mystery and intrigue in dating, and one effective way to do this is by occasionally leaving social engagements or plans early. This communicates that you have a busy and fulfilling life with other obligations and priorities, making you appear more desirable and high status. By providing reasonable notice and excusing yourself politely, you create an air of scarcity around your time, which can be incredibly attractive to women. However, it's essential to strike a balance and not be absent for so long that it hinders the development of a meaningful connection. The key is to create a sense of value and intrigue without completely cutting off communication or appearing disinterested. 3. Avoid prematurely celebrating progress. In the pursuit of an attractive woman, it's easy to misinterpret positive signs like laughter and engaging conversation as indicators of progress. However, prematurely assuming her interest can lead to complacency and ultimately kill the momentum of your approach. It's important to remain focused and not become too eager for validation before genuine attraction is established. Avoid the trap of assuming too much too soon and instead, stay committed to building a connection based on mutual interest and investment. By maintaining this focus, you increase your chances of developing a meaningful connection and avoid the pitfalls of premature celebration. 4. Give her space to take the lead. In the realm of romance, it's crucial for men to balance assertiveness with allowing the woman to take the lead. While taking charge can create tension and excitement, there are pivotal moments where it's essential to step back and let her initiative shine. By creating space for her to feel empowered in escalating intimacy, you show respect for her preferences and avoid coming across as passive. This approach allows her to feel confident in expressing her desires and leads to a more balanced and mutually satisfying courtship. Ultimately, by finding this balance between assertiveness and receptiveness, you pave the way for a relationship where both partners feel respected and valued. 5. Dare to disagree. In relationships, constantly agreeing with a woman can lead to boredom and predictability. Men who dare to disagree, however, demonstrate confidence and prioritize their own beliefs over seeking validation. It's important to express differing opinions respectfully and thoughtfully, sparking engaging conversations that reveal your depth and complexity. While it's crucial not to be contrarian just for the sake of it, standing your ground on important convictions can show strength of character. Encouraging open-mindedness in your partner can lead to a deeper connection based on mutual respect. By maintaining your values and expressing dissent when necessary, you can deepen the bond in your relationship and avoid resentment that can come from compromising your beliefs. 6. Maintain intriguing conversational tension. In the realm of conversation, less can often be more, particularly when it comes to maintaining intrigue and tension. The idea of the strong, silent type is appealing to many women because it leaves room for imagination to fill in the gaps. Instead of dominating the conversation with declarations, opt for thoughtful questions and a sense of thoughtful uncertainty. This approach adds depth and complexity to your interactions, showing confidence in your ability to convey meaning without being overly transparent. By mastering the art of strategic silence, you can subtly shift the dynamic of the conversation, with her taking the lead and seeking validation and understanding from you. This dynamic can lead to a deeper connection, as she works to unravel the mystery beneath your stoic exterior, convinced that your company is worth pursuing. 7. Build rapport with her social circle. Building rapport with a woman's social circle can be a strategic move. Women often seek social consensus and approval when considering romantic partners, so forming genuine friendships within her social circle can communicate your respect for what matters to her. By engaging in laughter, conversation, and finding common ground with her friends, you become seen as a socially congruous addition to their circle. This positive impression ripples through the friend network, strengthening bonds and dispelling any fears of being chased. Over time, as your sincere intentions and considerate character are confirmed by her social circle, any doubts or concerns about your motives diminish, paving the way for a more meaningful and lasting connection. 8. Compliment her as a pleasant distraction. At first glance, it might seem counterintuitive, but complimenting a woman as a pleasant distraction can be a profound way to intrigue her. By politely expressing that she pleasantly hijacks your productivity with her intoxicating company, you convey a deep flattery for her ability to effortlessly capture your attention. This compliment frames her as a goddess-like figure, yet still grounded by your overriding sense of purpose and ambition. You suggest that she inspires you to briefly abandon strong priorities, portraying her as an earthly embodiment of life's sweetest temptations. This approach not only elevates her in your eyes, but also adds an element of mystery and allure to your interactions, making her feel uniquely special and valued. 9. Contrast limited and full attention. Balancing limited and full attention in a relationship is crucial for maintaining intrigue and desire. While external obligations may limit the time you spend together, it's important to eliminate distractions and immerse yourself completely when you do reconnect. Show her that she is your singular focus in these moments, conveying your deep emotional investment and making her feel incredibly valued. This ebb and flow of presence and absence keeps her guessing and craving more intensity in your interactions. However, it's essential to ensure that your absences aren't so prolonged that they hinder the development of intimacy. Finding the right balance between limited and full attention is key to keeping the spark alive in your relationship. 10. Employ the power of touch authentically. Touch is a powerful tool for building attraction, yet many men are unsure of how to use it effectively. Avoiding touch altogether often stems from a lack of understanding about how to execute it appropriately. Mastering the art of nuanced intimate contact can create a sense of yearning rather than unease. Whether leading a woman through a bustling room with a light hand against her back, gracefully extending your hand to help her enter a car, or playfully nudging her shoulder to punctuate a humorous moment, confidence is key. It's important to believe that your advances are welcome until they are clearly rebuffed. Timing is also crucial. Allowing touch to anchor romantic moments can deepen intimacy respectfully. The critical mistake men make: implementing aforementioned strategies masterfully unfortunately can't overcome one foundational error undermining everything. Operating from a place of scarcity rather than healthy detachment, conveying self-sufficient abundance. Women naturally detect neediness and covert desperation, repelling them forcefully. The essence of romantic prosperity: genuinely fulfilled men enjoying rewarding lives exuding satisfaction don't stress girlfriends. They materialize seamlessly as complementary embellishment. Their completeness exists independently of relationship status. By contrast, Unsuccessful men focus too intensely upon finding mates, masking voids within identities. Life's cruelest irony. Those needing love badly transmit vibe, driving it away, while self-realized people enjoying internally generated happiness attract partners effortlessly. So rather than chasing perfection of tactics, focus first on achieving genuine self-acceptance and purpose absent external validation. Confidence, passion, and fulfillment must be internally cultivated rather than sought transactionally through relationships. View intimacy as collaboration between two already whole people jointly seeking greater life enrichment rather than desperate distraction from discontentment. Become man so genuinely compelling through self-mastery that feminine pursuit emerges organically without gimmicks or manipulation. Prioritize self-improvement above all else. Abundant men get chased by phenomenal women. Desperate ones repel them. Master thyself first and foremost. The essence of strategy lies in self-actualization, not chasing techniques. Skillful execution of targeted chase strategies can help shift dating dynamics favorably. But avoiding toxic mindsets of scarcity and validation seeking is equally essential. Genuine self-confidence and purpose must power interpersonal engagements. Become so internally fulfilled that your company becomes its own reward, drawing in reciprocal appreciation naturally. Flip the script by becoming the one perpetually chased rather than desperately chasing. If you enjoyed this video, show some love by hitting that like button. We really appreciate all your thoughtful feedback, so keep the comments coming. Share this with friends who you think need to hear this advice too. And if you want to show extra support, use the super thanks button to buy us a coffee and fuel more videos. We truly appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and until next time, friends.